In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Spotify on Smart TV. So in order to do that, you first need to determine the operating system of your Smart TV. So first, if your operating system is actually an Android TV, you can head over and then locate the Google Play or Play Store icon from there in order to actually open it and install an application. However, if you have different operating systems such as LG WebOS or Samsung or Roku or Amazon, you can proceed to actually go over and then try to locate the App Store from there as well. So onto your Google Play Store, click onto the search bar and search right here for Spotify. Once you have done that, you can see Spotify right here, so proceed to click on it and proceed to click onto the install option that will appear. So just wait for a few seconds for it to download, and once you're done, you should be able to actually got it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.